Hello friend. Today we install OBS on Windows 11 and configure OSB recoding settings Nvidia. Search OBS in Google, go to official link and click Windows. Let's download it, and easy to install. And easy to install. Administrator permission to yes. Let's configure OBS with Nvidia GTX 1660 Super NVENC encoder and add display capture and recode. GTX 1660 Super NVENC encoder and add display capture and recode. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel.